Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to include HTML content inside React 3 Fiber for a 3D world. So here you can see that a sphere text is included along with this particular content which I have. So yeah, that's what we will be looking into. I have created a simple project using React project, but you can use whatever React framework you prefer. Then if you see inside my package.json, I have installed React 3 Dray as well as React 3 Fiber. Ignore these two dependencies for now. React and React DOM was already installed, and I have also installed 3. And given that I'm using TypeScript, I have also installed type/3. Then inside app.tsx, I have imported canvas from React 3 Fiber. Then I have also created this experience component, which is a typical React component. So if you see over here, this is our experience component, and here I am importing HTML. These orbit controls and pivot controls, I have already made a video about this. Just concentrate on this HTML part. Here this is just for reference to rotate my cube. Here is our orbit control, here is our directional light, here is our pivot controls, here is our mesh. Now inside the mesh, given that I want the HTML to point towards this mesh, I have included it inside the mesh itself. I have set it some position. This is the wrapper class. With the help of this, we can assign some CSS styling to this HTML paragraph. And here is our center distance factor, change it. Occlude, I have kept it as PRF as well as cube ref. Here is our cube ref, and here is our plane geometry. Now if I show you the styles for this, here you can see, oh sorry, not this one, we have to go to app.css. so here you can see I'm using this label. I'm not sure why we have to do this, but we have to do this, otherwise the CSS won't be proper. And here I have set the position as absolute, set some font family, background color, padding, white space, overflow is hidden, border radius 30 pixel, and user select is none. So yeah, that's how you will be able to see this. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.